Hey sweet friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is fridge and pantry restock. I'm going to show you a mini grocery haul that I usually do over the weekend, then we'll move on to restocking the kitchen. I hope you enjoy this video and find it helpful with all the restocking and kitchen organization ideas. Let's clean together and organize with me. We skipped grocery shopping for the month of August because the last one we did back in July, we still have a lot of food left, but we are running out of a lot of the things, so I pick up some of the ones that, like I said, we needed and we are out of. So I got some chicken breast here. I pick up some vegetables that we are going to need for the week, like for ingredients and all that. I was thinking of doing roasted veggies, so I have bell peppers here. Got some carrots, mushrooms, yogurts. I also pick up this ground pork. I have been looking for ground pork for a while now. Walmart doesn't have any. I found these at Smith's actually. I also got some bananas. I pick up some avocados. I always keep this on hand. Strawberries, some russet potatoes here. I'm going to need this for ingredients over the weekend. I got some chips in the back and this granola cereal. I use this for my yogurt and I'm running really low, so I got more. I got these hot dog buns. We're going to have hot dogs for dinner over the weekend, so we got that. I got some tea. I got a couple of this seasoning that I need for ingredients, sponge, and bleach. Alright you guys, so this is what the fridge looks like right now. It definitely needs some good cleaning. It's pretty starting to get really nasty, all that. So I'm going to clean this, try to refill some stuff here if I have them. If not, I'll just like wipe down everything really quick. Every time I clean the fridge, I like to take out everything that's in here so I can wipe down the shelf a lot better. Also, I'm going to check if I have any food that's expired and get rid of it, restock, and reorganize here. And to clean inside the fridge, I just use the good old water vinegar mix.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop.
If you are new around here, hello and welcome. I just want to quickly introduce myself and tell you that I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. If you like and enjoy home organization videos like this, as well as cleaning motivation and seasonal home decorating, I would love for you to stick around and join my YouTube family. I upload this kind of contents every Friday, so be sure to turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads.
Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much
Alright, my friends, I'm not going to be talking too much in this video. I just want to get this up for you so that I don't leave you hanging. I was editing this yesterday and I got a really bad migraine. I am okay now, but I still have a slight headache, and after that my son got sick. So like I said, I didn't want to leave you hanging. I don't want to not have a video again for this week, so I wanted to make sure I'll have one, even though I don't talk too much here, so forgive me if I don't. But I hope you still enjoy all the organization and restocking here.
Say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why.
A lot of you asked what I was putting in these jars in my last fridge restocking video, and I didn't realize I did not explain it to you. I'm pre-packing my yogurt. I get them in these big containers because they don't make this in individual little packages. But I do like to pre-pack them myself so that it's easier for me in the morning, because I do take this every single day to work. I put some granola on top and fruits sometimes, like strawberries, blueberries, or whatever we have on hand. I'm always busy and rushing in the morning, so this is something I don't want to have to worry about. I know it's easy to do it, but if you think about it, if I don't have any minute left, I kind of just like forget about this and don't bring this. But if it's ready to go, then it's something that I can just grab, put in my lunch bag, and go about my day.
You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh,
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs.
I also like to pre-package this beef jerky in these little Ziploc bags. This is something I also take to work for like snack, or even just eat it at home. I don't like to take the whole bag out and like eat it like that, because last time I did that, I didn't finish it and then I left it on the counter and it got moldy the next day, you guys. Seriously, and this is not a cheap snack, so I don't want that to happen again, because that happened to me a couple times, until I realized after I read the back of this bag that this has to be refrigerated after opening. Did you guys know that? Because I didn't. So my solution is to just pre-package them for when I want to eat a little bit of it. At least I just have them pre-packaged and I don't need to take the whole bag out of the fridge and then put them back when I don't finish them.
Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Standing on the dizzying highs. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing right up together. Standing on dizzying highs. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing right up together. Standing on the dizzying highs.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. Your eyelids and perfect lips got me rushing, pen, and I'm so lit. Like lilies you open, the fragrance goes to my head, my darling. I get everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. We've been mostly off track and under attack, so we've earned it. Yeah, we've stayed loyal to each other. Now everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it.
Moving on in the pantry, there's not a lot to do here, but there are a few containers that are completely empty, so I'm just going to refill those.
All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop
can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
The last thing I wanted to do is to just refill my coffee pads drawer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list of house chore. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me today. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!